In Australia, scientists have developed an amazing innovation, one that could revolutionise the way we fight cancer. It turns out that man's best friend could be the key to a breakthrough in the search for a cure for this devastating disease. Duke was a happy and healthy 7-year-old dog when he was diagnosed with bone cancer in his jaw.
Dogs with Duke's kind of tumour, the median survival time is around about 4 or 5 months, and that's even with aggressive surgery. So unfortunately for Duke, the outlook was pretty grim.
At biotechnology company Biotempus in Melbourne, Australia, scientist Martin Ashdown and veterinarian Dr. Noam have developed a solution that could be personalised, efficient and inexpensive. And it's all possible because of a process called the immune cycle.
For a long time it was thought the immune system is not at all aware of the cancer growing in the body. We now know that specific immune cells called T effector cells are working to destroy the cancer, while other immune cells called T regulatory cells are controlling this reaction and acting like the brakes. It is in fact this very complex interaction that often gets out of balance and allow cancer to grow and spread unchecked.
Biotempus demonstrated that immune cell populations are dynamically changing in a sequential and time-dependent fashion over several days. That is, the immune system switches these cells on and off in a sequence that repeats or cycles.
The most exciting things we noticed is that if these T regulatory cells can be selectively killed, the T effector cells can get on with the job of eliminating cancer undisturbed. We believe there is a very small 12-hour window where it's possible to get this result. But the immune cycle ranges between individuals and can go between 4 and 9 days. So the very first step is to map each individual's unique immune cycle.
Armed with this knowledge, in 2004, Biotempus started working with ASAP Laboratory to validate this technology and begin a clinical trial in dogs.
We were able to map Duke's cycle quite easily, and he was treated on the nominated day with a single dose of chemotherapy.
Remarkably, Duke's tumour stopped growing and started shrinking immediately after treatment, and 12 months later is no longer visible. Duke is continuously being monitored, but at this stage remains disease-free and is a happy, lively dog. So what's the next step? And more importantly, how long will this take before we can see it in the real world?
Dogs are helping us with this all-important proof of concept. We should be able to have this data in less than a year. If this larger scale trial proves effective, we plan to offer this service to canine patients within 12 to 24 months and then continue to humans.
If you are the owner of a dog with cancer or a veterinarian interested in participating in this trial, please register your interest on the Biotempus website.